It's the Ugly Puppet Show!
We're ugly! We're ugly! We're really, really ugly!
Oh yes!
We're ugly! We're ugly! We're really, really
Oh yeah!
ugly! 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 Yeah!
Woohoo!
Ugly! Ugly!
Woo now! Okay, today's episode is about Dr. Baboo. He's very small, so don't make fun of him.
He's a shrink!
Yeah, that's why they call him a shrink, you idiot. Okay, roll film!
There's a problem!
What now?
I ate it!
Are you kidding?
I was hungry!
Okay, well, we'll do it live. Okay, fall out! Baboo, get up here, you pig! Ooh. What do you want, freaks? I'll kill you! Oh my god, we're on set. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Dr. Baboo. Today's client is Big Toe. Yeah, woo, hooray! Oh. What's your problem, Big Toe?
I'm fat, ugly, well yeah, but my mom also rejected me as a child for a shoe.
Holy crap! Well, I think your problem is you're fat and ugly. I don't care what you said. Your problem is that you're fat and ugly. And maybe, possibly, your mom rejected you for a shoe when you were a kid.
I'm only 3 million pounds, isn't everybody?
Yeah, get off! Yeah, so, get back up here! So, maybe you should go talk to your mom. Go tell her that you realize that you're fat and ugly and you want to be returned home.
I need a hot dog.
That could also be your problem. Well, he's no fun. Get out of here, pig. Okay, our next client is Wedgehead. Come up here.
Hey, everybody.
What's your problem?
I'm a pizza cutter and...
Dude, I love your head. I could use you to shovel up my garden.
I hate you. Everybody says that.
Okay, wait. Let's do the Wedgehead test. Lay down. Wow! You cut my finger. Oh, you are a freak. Oh. What are you doing now?
This is my crying state.
Okay, this show is an embarrassment. Get out of here! Okay, let's just have Chuck and Nugget come up.